Hey guys, welcome back. Today Google is celebrating Cuban American silent film actor Emerson Romero, who innovated some of the first techniques to make films accessible for deaf people. Emerson Romero, pioneer of closed captioning. Who was Emerson Romero? And know about some interesting fact about Emerson Romero. When film was getting its start, it was accessible to deaf and ho people to watch because everything was silent. Then around 1927, sound became a huge part of the movies and shows. Deaf and ho viewers were left out. That is until Emerson Romero, a deaf silent film actor, changed the history of closed captioning. Who was Emerson Romero? Everything you need to know. Emerson Romero was born on August 1900 in Havana, Cuba. Romero lost his hearing at the age of 6 because of a fever caused by whooping cough. At the age of 7, Romero moved to the US and started social at Wright Oral School in New York. After his schooling, he worked at the Federal Reserve Bank. In 1924, his brother Dorian and him worked for his film company in Cuba. Romero went by a stage name Tommy Albert. Those in the industry told Emerson Romero it would be the easier for people to remember and pronounce. He was athletic and able to do his own stunts. He appeared in over 20 short films such as Great Guns, Snappy Days, and The Cat Mew. In 1934, Romero, Sam Bloch, and John Funk established the Theatre Guild of the Deaf, which lasted for 20 years. Patrons were both hearing and deaf. Romero directed 20 plus deaf actors. During World War II, he worked for Republic Aviation, making sheet metal and templates for aircraft. In 1938, Romero was also editor of Digest of the Deaf, now defunct, for 2 years. In 1959, he created a vibrating alarm clock called the Vive Alarm. He sold this and other products for people with hearing loss. Emerson Romero loved movies. Being involved in movies and seeing them on the screen was exciting, but once they were not accessible, he wanted to change that. In 1947, Romero created the first captions on film. He cut the film in a picture and adding subtitled frame in the space. These frames were block of text on a black background. Because of this, the films would be choppy and twice as long. It also ruined the soundtrack for hearing people. Emerson Romero got not support from the film industry and gave up on this work. This innovative technique inspired those who went on to create advanced captioning methods between starring in films, directing plays, and talking action to make movies for more accessible. Romero left an incredible legacy behind. As Hispanic Heritage Month kicks off, we honor Romero for his many contributions. So guys, I hope you like this information. So please like, share this video and do subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest videos and updates. Thank you.